going on, guys? Welcome to the channel. Welcome back to the channel. If you've been here before, we're going to take a look here at XRP this afternoon. It is the 15th of August. We're going to look at the XRP chart. We're going to look at the Bitcoin dominance chart. We're going to look at the altcoin season indicator, the ranking, the number, and we'll take a look over at the Bitcoin chart as well. XRP sitting at number 3 here on Coin Market Cap. Sitting here at number 3. Hopefully that goes up to number 2 sooner rather than later. Heading over here to the altcoin season index. We're at a 43. No change from this morning. Still at a 43. It's got a long way to go. Hopefully the selling that we saw yesterday and a little bit today has been wrapped up, and we're going to head up higher into the weekend. 59. We got a little bit of sell off here, a little bit of fear rising in the cryptocurrency markets. Again, we got a long way to go to the downside. If there's going to sell off, we'll see what happens. We're just about neutral here. Let's go jump into the charts, guys. XRP, wild, but we're green on the day. All day we sold off. We did not put in a new lower low today. That is a great sign. We didn't take out yesterday's low. Yesterday's low was $2.99. Today's low was basically $3, 3.003. Higher low. That is a good sign. I like to see that. We're going to talk about some, probably about 3, maybe 4 overhead price targets. Assuming markets don't tumble from here. Okay. We have a nice bullish cross here, 50 above the 200. We have shorter term. It's going to go from shorter term to longer term price targets above the market here for XRP / United States dollar. And this is the daily chart, and the data is from Bitstamp. So I think if this thing goes for a solid breakout, now we have a lot of intermediate term price targets in between where we're about to go here, but I think a solid breakout from this area right here, let's highlight this here, guys. Essentially, this consolidation here that's been going on for, I guess you call it all of 2025, and then some. A solid breakout before any real resistance, the way I look at these charts, the way I track these charts, would be right up here to the exact number is $4.97, but you could call it $5. $5. I think that would be a very solid breakout. And if we found a little bit of resistance there, I would not be surprised. I would be very good to see XRP get up to that zone. And it's not asking much, guys. It's only 60% to the upside. That could happen. You could see that in a day, if not, definitely a weekend. So a $5 breakout, very, very easy if markets don't sell off here for XRP. Target number 2 above the market is the $6.17 mark. That is my next target, right up there to $6.17. Again, not too much to ask for. This could happen in a weekend. Again, about 60% to the $5 range, and then up there to 6+. You're about 100% from where we're currently trading at, which is basically $3. So, again, between a Friday and a Sunday evening, you could be up 100%. No problem. Not a problem. So going out a little bit further in time, so you saw here, you had a very large consolidation here for XRP. I mean, it really goes back multiple years. And more than likely, we are just pausing here before this market makes another very, very large run to the upside. So this run here that took place basically starting in like November, went on to be 400% roughly. we have, let's get these charts back together here. Target number 3 would be right around $11. $11.15 is my exact number. So we're at 5, 6, and 11. Those are all, again, very reasonable targets for XRP. That puts the price up from where we're currently trading about 260%. Again, maybe that takes, who knows? I mean, when this thing starts to go, if it starts to go, it can happen quickly, very, very quickly, guys. So my big target here for XRP based on a much larger time frame is $20 right up here, guys. $20. I don't think that is too much to ask for. If anything, it's probably extremely conservative. The charts tell us that XRP could hit $20. No problem. Will it? I don't know. Will it top out at 5 or 11 or 6? Maybe. The charts do say, hey, if everything lines up, the price could get to $20. I mean, that's just what the charts tell us. If you know how to read the charts, they're telling us XRP could, based on previous trading action, get up to right around $20, plus or minus a little bit. Again, in the right scenario, in the right, everything, all the stars line up and alts are running and XRP's running and $20, not too much to ask for. That's going to put the price up from where we're at right now, which is about $3. About another 500, 550% to the upside. So that's what we're looking for. We're looking for 5, 6, 11, and then the highest I have right now, guys, is $20. I can't get anything higher than that. Of course, if you throw the fibs on the chart, you could go as high as you really want. But based on the previous trading action we have here for XRP, $20 is where my targets top out. So let me know. What do you think? You think 5, 6, 11, 20, somewhere in between, somewhere much higher? I'm interested to see what people are thinking here. Again, we'll see. We shall see. I think this breakout that started here back in November, this is just a pause and we're getting ready to send it up for the final stage here. And that final stage should take us up into that $20 range. Time will tell what plays out. Bitcoin dominance chart, BTC.D. So we're getting a little pump here. Not too much of one, but we are getting a pump. We have a bullish engulfing candle. We'll obviously wait for the close. Made a new low, made a new high. We're up on the day. Depending on where we close, this could be a bullish candle. The opposite of a bearish engulfing is a bullish engulfing candle. We have Bitcoin down right now. It's down 969. We are finding support at 116. Yesterday was a very bearish candle for Bitcoin, guys. This is a bearish engulfing candle. Made a new high, made a new low, closed lower than the previous day. That is a very bearish candle. Today's quiet. Looks like we made a new low. It's, yep, looks like we made a new low. I was going to say it's an inside day, but not if we made a new low. So we'll see what happens here. Averages are trending higher because the trend has been going higher, but we'll see if this thing is going to make another new high or not. But judging by yesterday's candle, some damage took place yesterday on Bitcoin. Guys, that's all I got here for XRP. 5, 6, 11, and then 20. I mean, 20 would be the ultimate, euphoria, the FOMO, the XRP. $20. Again, it's probably conservative, but hey, $20 XRP would be pretty freaking wild. If you are not yet subscribed, join us here on the channel. All links are down below to the trading signals and all the other links. not financial advice. You guys have a great evening. Take care.